Yeah, I think I could just get out a little bit further. Got one. Got one, Brian.
Huh?
Got one.
All right.
Ain't very big.
Right under?
Yep.
Squirmy worm?
Yep.
Watch this log.
I know.
I'll try to get out to the log. This is close to the log as I can get.
I'm binding up a little bit.
See him. Rod portion.
Binding up, darn it.
Take your time.
Binding up on this freaking reel.
Back up, I'll back up.
There he is. Just seeing him. I'm just afraid of this log.
I'm putting a fish on.
Here.
Back up a little bit.
Just tiring him out, buddy, okay?
Take your time. Here you know how to do. This guy we got, at least we've hooked up now. Now we got a good shot there.
I know. He's in it right now. I'm trying to get him out. Got my drag a little too loose.
Easy. He's a decent one. No, don't go in the tree, motherfucker.
Alright, he's back out. He's back out. He's right here in front of you. He's a big one. Right here. Trying, but he's trying to get underneath that log right now. That freaking log's killing us.
Right there, he's right there. I see him.
I'm bringing him. I'm bringing him. I'm bringing him. There we go.
Nice one, Dad. Bigger than one you got last week.
Hold on. Better get a nice breath. She fought long.
Get rid of that. Hold up.
Good? I want to put it in because I don't want it to die.
Dangle that ball a little bit better. So, there you go. Just hold it here. All right.
There she goes. Thanks, buddy.
Thank you. I get to try my boat.
Dad? All right, all right, all right. Give me 2 seconds. I'm just wrapping up. I'm coming over. Keep them going upstream if you can, buddy. Don't horse them. Don't horse them. Don't let them get underneath that freaking log.
He's on that side. He's on this side of the log.
All right. All right.
Yeah?
Oh, I almost had him. Oh, almost had him. He's too green yet, dude. Too green yet. Too green yet. Way too green yet. I seen his head, so I tried, but he's a nice one. Okay, okay. Okay, okay, I see him. I see him. He's green, buddy. I don't want to friggin' make him knock him off, you know what I mean? I see it. Okay, okay. Try to get his head up again. I don't want to just take a stab at him.
You got it. You got it.
There we go.
All right.
Nice, buddy. Whew. Nice.
Now the $100 was worth every penny.
All right. You want to try to get this off and I'll hold the net, or you want to hold the net?
I'll hold the net. That's a good one. Stormy worm to the rescue.
Got that?
Take the net for a second. I'll set this
Yep.
shore here.
Go ahead. Get your head below us. You got to get a grip below underneath his back or his front fins. Try to get underneath him. There you go.
I don't have much of it right now.
Gotta get his tail. Alright, shit, dude.
Oh, that's definitely big. That's a male.
Smile.
Got him?
One more second. Come on.
I was gonna put him back in the water. Did you get a picture?
Yeah. Go
Let
ahead.
him go.
Go
I just want to record it.
Yeah, I got it. I got it on that thing. What's that? Is it? All right. Nice, Brian. Don't horse them too much. Okay. Just kind of sounded like it was. Don't let him go under that log. I see him. I see him. There he is. There he is. Don't let him get underneath that freaking log. All right, you're getting them crossed. Be careful.
He's crossed, he's crossed. Coming right at you.
I don't want to get in your way. He's trying to get back in there. Let him go, let him go, let him go.
Oh, it's tangled in the tip, man. It's tangled in the tip, Jake. Take that tip. Woo! Got it. Thank you.
Oh. All right, all right. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Yeah, get him up. Hold up. Here we go, here we go. There we go.
Good job, Jake.
Not as big as the last one, but he's big enough. Ooh, you got him right in the eye.
Yeah, whatever. I got him. I'm sure he bit at it, and that's where he got hooked. God, I have no feeling in my fingers.
My things, I can't even see him.
That's alright, he was fun. Nice, same stormy worm too. Stormy worm to the rescue.
There you go.
Can you see the tail?
If you turn your hand the other way, I will be able to.
I don't know if I can.
Look up.
You see it now?
Yep. All right, all right, all right. Let him go. It's all right. We got some pictures.